In the previous video, we learned about Row Data Center Designer tool and its features. In this video, we will learn how to configure a new solution using Row Data Center Designer tool, room properties, and layout. As seen in the previous video, log in to the Partners page and click on the APC Design Portal link to go to the Design Portal homepage. In the Design Portal homepage, go to Solutions tab and click Create Solution. In the Create New Solution page, either use the auto-generated solution name or enter a new name in Solution Name text box. The new solution created will be saved in the Design Portal. In the Country drop-down, the Design Portal displays a default country based on the location preferences in the system. You can select a different country where you want the solution to be installed. Remember, only those configurators that are available in the selected country will be visible. Please note that for North America, or NAM region, the units will be imperial by default, whereas for Europe and other regions, it is metric by default, but it can always be customized as per your requirements. Select the Training Solution checkbox if you are creating the solution for training purpose and not for real data center solutions. In EcoStruxure Data Center Solution, look for Row Data Center Designer and click the Configure button to create the design. Landing page will vary for different regions. The landing page will vary for the NAM region, which includes the USA and Canada. It will be different for India, Japan, and rest of the world. In case of Europe, international, except India, Japan, and Greater China, the initial landing page will have only the header and options to select the path which you want to configure. The top header also includes the country name for which the solution is being created. However, for the NAM, the default landing page is the rack catalog page. Based on the location, you can see a variety of configurations. The Row Data Center Designer tool offers two different approaches: Help Me Build Row Configuration or Guided Row, and Expert Row Configuration or Open Configurations. If the users select the Expert Row Configuration, they will find in the top menu a series of tabs with configuration options, including the rack, cooling, power, containment, DCIM, and services. With open configurations, the user can select any of the components in any order. When user selects the Help Me Build Row configuration, they will find tabs such as Guided Row, DCIM, and Services in the top menu. The left menu bar and the running total price of items included within the configurations will only appear when the path is selected. The bar also comprises the Designer View, Reports, Help, Feedback, Reset Design, and About tabs. The Designer option directs the users to the Designer page, where the user can drag and drop the configured items onto the floor and view the 2D and 3D representation of the solution. And this view is helpful in showing a customer a representation of what their data center configuration will look like. They can also zoom in on the 3D view. Zoom in activates zoom in functionality on the room. Zoom out activates zoom out functionality on the room. Reports option allows users to pull a variety of options for additional details on the solution. Other options include help providing video tutorials, feedback, and reset design to reset or clear the selected items. About option gives information related to software version to the customer. The user can also change the size of room layout in Row Data Center Designer tool using the Room Properties option. Room properties can be reviewed and revised at any time by clicking on it from the floor layout and selecting Properties. Once a room shape has been selected, the floor layout can be configured to ensure that the model accurately represents the physical layout of the customer data center. Once the room layout is ready, move on to customizing the rack PDUs, security and environmental, and rack accessories. The RDC Designer tool offers a variety of UPSs and power distribution options, in-row cooling portfolio, racks and rack PDUs, and other accessories, along with different software and monitoring services. All these options can be dragged and dropped on the data center floor to create the solution specific to the customer's environment and needs. The complete bill of material with different views of it is available as output to help put together a quote and proposal for the customer. There is only one way to check out now, which is the Go-To Solution Overview. On clicking the digital portal, user will land on Solution Overview. Send your feedback, queries, or comments or issues related to Configurator to designtoolsupport@se.com. In this video, you have learned about how to configure layout, what are the room properties, different tools for their partners to help them configure products and solutions, how to create Row Data Center solution, view of 2D and 3D representation of the solution. In the next video, we will show how you can configure the other aspects of the solution in detail.